All right, so today we're gonna do a quick little product review. This got sent to me from a mutual friend. So she made this product for the lady types when they wash their face at night so they don't get water all down their arms. So guys, if this works out, order 2 sets, one for you and one for your wife. But we had an idea, so she sent me a pair, and we are going to try these puppies for an oil change to see if you can go a little slower and not get oil all over yourself. All right, here's what we're working with. They're called Liquilinks, and you can see here from this little picture, you just slide this puppy down your wrist, and then as your fluid runs down, it creates a seal, goes out this little cup, drains down. So I'm gonna do this the way most folks would, and I'm gonna do it on the ground in the driveway to try and make this as realistic as possible, and we will see how they perform. This will be an honest review. So if it doesn't work, it doesn't work, but if it does, heck yeah. I mean, nobody likes hot oil going down their arm if you do it while it's warm. So I'm gonna go grab some stuff. We're gonna go do this on a Dodge out front, and I'll see you underneath the truck. All right, here we are. We're under the truck. So we're gonna drain this oil pan first. Let me get this camera way back here. Hopefully you can see. So I fitted this puppy to my wrist, and I just point it right at this here oil drain receptacle. So I'm still gonna get oil on my hand, obviously, but I'm gonna let it hit it for a second, and let's just see how it does, huh? Whoop. Wow, okay. You can just kind of, I'm not gonna lie to you, I didn't think this would work at all. We'll see when we get to the oil filter. But so far, I feel nothing coming down my arm. Hot diggity dog. Look, I mean, you're still gonna get dirty hands, but if you wore a glove, we're gonna try that next on the oil filter. This may be this to where you can like legitimately do this clean with like very minimal cleanup. But yeah, let's take a gander. It just kind of squirted right out of this doodader, man. I don't have nothing coming down my arm or my wrist. Nothing. Just oil straight into the catch can. So let me drain this pan, and then we'll go try the filter. I think the filter is actually on the passenger side on this truck. Should be over yonder somewhere. So we'll jump over there next, but I'm actually shocked at how well that just worked. All right, so you can see I'm further up on the passenger side now. This oil filter is actually, this is a perfect test. All right, let's see how this does, because this is in a tight spot. So I'm not sure if you can see this. This is a guaranteed oil down the arm, typically. Oh, look at this. We're gonna fish it through this little rack and pinion hole. Oh, no freaking way, dude. I got nothing down my arm. Oh, my hand. If I would have wore a glove, I probably could have came out of this pretty freaking clean. Well, I'm still under the truck, but I'm not gonna lie to you. I didn't see this coming. These things just worked flawlessly. All right, here we are. Did I think that was gonna work when I got those? No, I gave it about a 5% chance. Did it work? Just Pope shit in the woods? Hell yeah, it worked. Honestly, I think if you work at like a quick lube or like fast oil change place, this may be a good product because you can put a glove on and you're not gonna get hot oil down your arm. I'm gonna keep using them regardless. That way I don't have oil all down my sleeve whenever you get those weird oil filters and whatnot. I even hung them up next to my oil filter wrenches here on the wall. That's why I'm standing over here next to this busted up Denali that my brother got. But yeah, link will be in the description, gentlemen. And if you have wives, girlfriends, order a set for them because that's who they were for originally. But wow, am I shocked how good those worked. It's a good idea. So I will post a video in the future and see how long they hold up, but it feels like really quality material, so I think they're gonna last quite a while. So good looking out. Liquilinks is what they are called.